So this is a 3-in-1 rotating rechargeable display. It works exactly as advertised. I have zero complaints, but I'll show you exactly how it works. So it's 3 different sizes and we'll just test it. The weight of it, I mean, this is probably a 4 or 5 pound drill. The remote has a bunch of different options. You could go clockwise, counterclockwise. You could slow it up, speed it down. So we're gonna start it and you can see it's moving perfectly fine with the drill on it, which weighs about 4 pounds. We'll pause it and take that off. We'll put on the largest display. So it's very simple. It just snaps right on in this circle. So you just put it in like that. You give it a little push and then you could display, for example, this beautiful belt. You just click play and then it spins and you can slow it down so it goes slower. You could also do in small increments where it'll click back and forth, right? And you can just display it like that for a showcase. And you could do a wider angle as well where it spins it larger and then spins it back. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, no complaints. It holds a lot of weight. It displays things perfectly. It's great for storefronts, great for product photography, great for Amazon reviews. And if this video was helpful and it helped you make a decision, click the thumbs up below.